Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing?
Good morning.
So, today is a bright, sunny day here in Texas. Cold, but bright and sunny. And it is cattle hauling day. Something Melinda's been asking me ever since we got home from the Philippines. When are you going to haul the yearlings to the cell?
Well, we can keep them all.
But the problem is that I've been watching the market and I really wasn't satisfied where the cattle market was. But then I also know that if I wait until Thanksgiving, the sale will shut down. They won't have it open, and sometimes even the week after Thanksgiving, because a lot of the cattlemen go on vacation during that time.
Mhm.
Then that puts us around between then and Christmas holiday, which the same thing can happen, and it might be a smaller sale up in December. So this is my golden opportunity to haul cows and get those yearlings to the market. So that's what I'm going to do. That way I don't have to feed those things through till spring. I could. We have the hay, but it's more miles, more tromping. Some of these are going to go straight off the mama, would never been weaned. They're going to get winged by going to the cell. And I'm ready just to get them cleared out of here and minimize our hay. So Melinda's going to help today. And Cap's going to help us get them rounded up, and James, since they're here doing some other stuff anyway. And we're going to make some hauls to the cell.
Mhm.
Melinda, what you been doing this morning?
Well, I've been moved the chicken truck.
Oh, you moved your chicken truck?
Yes, doing our laundry. I mean, a lot. I'm so busy always.
Well, Melinda goes out every morning with a routine, and the number one thing in your routine is take care of the animals, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that I have no worry. If we go somewhere, so at least my mind was clear. And settle down. That I feed
She
the
is
animals.
so good with that. So good with that. These animals, I tell you what, they know it too. They see her, it's like Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. They're coming from everywhere.
Yeah, and also they know the time, that what time I feed them.
Yeah,
So if they know that since I step out of the door, they already know that feeding time.
yeah, they know who the caretaker of animals is right here. What me? I'll just tell you the truth. It's gonna be like you're gonna eat when I get around to it, but not with her. She's got a really great attitude that they come first, and that's that. So I got me some pork ribs right here. Yep, I've got them with a dry rub on them, and I'm gonna let them just sit here. It came right out of the refrigerator and are still really cold, so I decided to wrap them up with that dry rub on them and just let them sit here and rest while we go do some other things. And then this afternoon I'm gonna come back and put these bad boys on the grill. So I'm really looking forward to that. My wife's got me confused. She says she's making a compost pile of leaves, but I also see her burning leaves. I think, is it a 50-50, Mel? It's a 50-50, burn half? Man, when those winds hit the other day, it was snowing leaves here for real. Fall came in quick.
But black cats really love to lay down here.
Yeah, I saw they had already made a bed in those leaves. I bet that's nice. Yeah. Yeah, it is yearling hauling time. So I'm gonna get back up here to this cattle trailer, make sure the lights and everything's working on it, and we're gonna get these cows moved up here to the corral, start separating the ones that I'm gonna haul to the cell, make this little thing happen. I think I'll haul some to the sale of the day and see how they do. And if they do okay, I may try to take more to the Tuesday sale. If they don't, well then I'm just gonna grass them through till the spring then on hay. Get a bag of sweet feed here and throw it in this bucket and see if I can call them jokers on up. So we got the cows, corral already, we got the trailer ready, we got spare tire. I'm gonna see if I can pull them in to feed. And Melinda and Cap are gonna walk behind them, try to keep in the young ones from straying behind, because that turns into a mess when that happens. Then a mama wants to go back and look for a baby, and it turns into a spread out mess now. I was just telling Cap, I'm gonna go drop him over there at that end of the dam. I'm gonna drive around and drop you in the back corner of them, and I'm gonna come up through them in front of them and start calling them with feed. Don't do anything much yet, and so just lightly make them move along. Don't get crazy screaming at them, don't yell at them and all that unless it's absolutely important, okay? Don't do anything yet. You just step off, stand over here. Woo, girls. Woo. Yeah, you hear that feed bucket, don't you? Well, let me get out in front of you. There's that little old sway back runt right there. Yeah, he's a sad looking thing right there. Woo! Come on, girls. Woo! Come on. Yeah, they're gonna beat me to the gate. Drive them on up, Melinda. Heck, they're going on their own. They ain't even bothered with the feed. Hey, Cap. See him watching you? Stay still. Linda, make him come on. Well, looks like I didn't even need the feed. They're all heading for the gate anyway. Here you go, Mel. Just come on here and you can hold on this feed. Hell, this is super easy. It's why I say, guys, by having cows that are well trained and know you well. Look there, they knew the routine and they are just heading on. Mel, go ahead and step out right there in case they try to run down that fence. Ha! Ho! 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 Hey Mel, hold on, we still got one old bull out there in the field. We got one straggler. Yeah! Don't fall down. We're not gonna call care flight around here. I'll try to fly you with my drone. Yep, there's the old bull walking in the rear. Well, when we get them on the move, I want to try to keep moving them the whole way to the corral. Let me let Cap get this gate closed. Cap, you head out that way so they don't go to that corner down yonder. Oh, come on, girls. Woo, come on. Well, come on. Come on. Woo. Come on here, girls. Yeah, come on. There you go. Woo, come on. There we go. Yeah, here you go. Get you some of that. I know y'all gonna fight over it. Here. Here, baby. It's hard for y'all to fit in one bucket, ain't it? Here, there you go. There's you some right there. Yeah. There's you some right there. Woo! All right, rush them up fast right there before they turn around. It's not that, Melinda, not that. Yeah. All right, now hold on before you lock it. Melinda, you climb up and over and get over here by this corral. I'm gonna start letting some grown cows back out. Well, there we are, we got it. We got them in here. And we'll start separating off the ones that stand here on the farm, the mama cows, the bull, any calves that are too young. And we're gonna work on that right now and get back with you here. All right, girls, y'all gotta let me through. Y'all gotta let me through. Now they think I'm gonna try to corral them, and I'm not. They're just trying to be obedient. These are pretty good old cows. Yeah, they know what's up, but I gotta try to keep these babies back. So it's a little hard in the beginning when it's pretty crowded. Yeah, those cows know the routine. Hold on, let's see if we can get these two calves. Here, I'm gonna let these through, but there's this calf through, let it through. What I have to do is watch out about one you want to keep shooting down the back side of them. Yeah. Come on. I see a keeper trying to sneak up right there. Yep. pull it back. There we go. Man, there's a young heifer here. I think I'm gonna keep her. Let her out. That's the one I told you I was thinking about keeping right there, Melinda.
What's that one?
That one's definitely a hauler right there to the sale. Yeah, so that little old young heifer, she is the one that's gonna be a replacement cow here. Yeah. But I'll have to move her to a different herd though. Yeah, she'll have to go to a different herd. And the bull's starting to know what to do. What I like to do is keep one cow in here with them, and it'll keep them settled down. If you take every cow out on these, they get a little excited. All right. So I got down to the bull and a cow in here. And that kind of keeps the herd a little bit settled in here, these young ones, while I try to separate them. And that ugly runt right there is the one that's going to go to the chopping block. I'm going to take a cull instead of a premium one off the herd. So we're down to two here that I'm going to take. This one and the one over at the far side. These others still too young. Ho, 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 ho. There it is. So another little success there. All right, so we need to let all these out. Cap, I'm gonna step out of the way with them. And you open that gate. Oh, we got one that's staying though for a fattener. So I gotta try to get him separated. We still got a little separating here. Well, we got it. So it's just a fact of life right here that he is going to come meat to feed my family. And I don't hardly ever do it. I sure don't, but I'm going to with him. I tell you, his mama was really old when she had him. My dad kept that cow too long, and she couldn't nourish him well, and he just didn't ever do any good. I think he was malnourished while he was even in her womb, just to be really honest. He's not a fine specimen to take to the meat market, but I also try to keep up a certain quality at the sale with my cows, and I don't want him going down there reflecting a specimen of my herd. So I know the story with him, and he's going to be right in here. We're going to start feeding him up with sweet feed and giving him some good rationings, and he will soon become meat on the table. And that's just the cold, hard facts of life. If any of you don't like it, well then I don't know what to tell you, but that's the way it'll be. We're realists here, and we do real world things, and that's all I can tell you on it. So here he is. If you want to see what I don't like about him, he's just a poor build altogether. Has hardly no rump. He's got a sway in his back. He's even got an odd shaped head. He's just no reflection of my herd. He was just a runt. That's the way it is. Me and Mel, we were just now laughing that the cows did so good there in the corral, separating them, coming out of the field, going in the corral, everything. And I said, of course, these cows are professionals, superstars. They know they're on video. They're going to do their best for us.
Yes, I saw them looking and said, oh, look at that, we're in the camera. You need to behave and be kind.
You
for
think
today.
they might have bovine 360? Camera 360 for a bovine. Yeah.
The thing is, because the cows here, we always talk and they use with us every day.
Yeah, Mel, you know, we did that before where Melinda's the chicken whisperer, you know. If y'all hadn't seen that, go back and see that video about the chicken whisperer right here. But she's also been studying her bovinology. And she's starting to get her cow talk on. Yeah.
Yes, nothing wrong. That's why
But
sometimes.
say, can you say anything to us in cow right now?
I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Sometimes even the animals
You
you
can't
need
say one cow word
you
for
need
us.
to communicate with them. You know, it's gonna help
How
also.
do you communicate with them?
Even just a talk, whisper, or like that.
What do you
Showing.
whisper to them? You gotta teach me here. We're all trying to learn. I'm trying to learn too right now.
No.
I'm amazed. Tell me what you whisper here. Just tell them I won't listen. Whisper it in the microphone here.
I thought just behave
For the camera.
yes.
Yeah. She said, please don't piss James off while he's videoing.
Yes, don't
Or you
piss.
may not even make it to the cell barn.
That's right. Feel sorry.
Please don't piss him off.
Instead, you're gonna go to his belly.
Melinda is in such the Christmas spirit. We ain't even had Thanksgiving yet. I woke up this morning to Christmas songs playing on YouTube in there. And she's in there dancing and spinning around.
Do you know what it means? Because I woke up with a nice mood.
Man, I tell you, where's your little hat on, man? But I think you're part of Bad Santa because you got a black top on.
Winter is very suck.
You're Mrs. Claus for Bad Santa.
Don't care it. Don't look at that. All you need to do just put a layer and layer and layer, you know, to make yourself.
I guess when we're out here in the
comfortable.
country life, it don't make a darn what you wear, huh?
Yeah, exactly. You're in country life.
But boy, I'm gonna tell you, I scold her if she tries to wear something like that to Walmart. I'm like, please don't be one of those. Please don't be one of them people.
I'm not gonna be that like them.
Oh, Blackjack's such a good boy. He is such a good boy. Yeah, we love Blackjack. We love Blackjack. Yeah, he goes roaming around at night. But he is a good boy. He chewed up my decoy doves out of the garage. But he's such a good boy. He got some of my rolls of leather out of the garage and drug them out in the yard. But he's such a good boy. He said they smelled like a chew toy.